And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera about 40 minutes ago, looking north on 13th Street North, looking a little misty out there, and that's exactly what we have right now, -7 degrees and misty out there. 6 degrees was our daytime high. We achieved that at 4 a.m. and -7, which we've been at since 2 p.m., is our current low. But in the overnight hours, we'll be rising to -3 degrees in the hours just before dawn. So we've got quite a mixed bag of weather here, but you can see all the areas pretty much are in minus values, all the ones certainly that you can see here. Some are in double-digit minus values. As we head closer towards the weekend, that's going to improve because we do have an area of high pressure that's going to be dominating and continuing to build as we get into the weekend. Right now, it's a bit of a fight between the low pressure center and the high pressure center. We've got low pressure center moving across, got heavy snowfall warnings out for the Fort St. John area, and that extends into Alberta. Areas north of Edmonton. Edmonton was in heavy snowfall warning criteria, as was Camrose, but those areas have been rescinded, and areas to the north of that, all the way up into the Peace area, are still in heavy snowfall warning. Could see 10 to 15 centimeters of snow in those areas overnight tonight. In the south, though, you can see we just have that mist. Our humidity levels are elevated at 93% right now, so that cooler air mass, we could see the odd little flurry activity in the overnight hours. But as I just said, temperatures are going to be rising to around -3 degrees by dawn, and then tomorrow some areas will be seeing highs right around the freezing mark, maybe +1, and some areas will get all the way up to +5 in the Lethbridge region. So a bit of a transition day tomorrow as far as trying to get into those positive numbers. And you can see there's still be quite a bit of, there is quite a bit of cloud cover that's still showing up here, and that pocket of precipitation pretty much isolated to the northern sectors, and everything to the south is pretty much cloud cover. As we get into Thursday, we'll be seeing that cloud cover continue to be a bit of a problem here in southern Alberta. Mostly cloud. Cooler temperatures, of course, as I said, they'll vary across the Lethbridge region depending on how far east and west you are as far as how warm your temperatures will get. But we will be seeing this all clear out as we head in towards the weekend. We're looking at a sun and cloud mix for the most part as the area of high pressure really builds in from the south and takes hold as we get into Saturday especially. Then you'll see that reflected in the 5-day forecast. 0 in St. John's right now. Real mixed conditions there. They are expecting some freezing rain and some heavy snowfall. They've got warnings out there. Through the Maritimes, a mixed bag of some sun and cloud and some showers and some flurries. Cloudy as you look across the prairies, -12 in Winnipeg, -10 in Regina, -16 in Saskatoon, cloudy skies there. Still light snow is happening right now in Edmonton at -14. It's raining in Vancouver, and we've got some light flurry activity mixed with the sun and cloud mix is what they've had during the day in Whitehorse, and the same scenario right now for Yellowknife, just seeing some light flurries there. -29, that is cold. East Kootenay, you're looking at that chance of flurry activity tonight, -3 for a low. Tomorrow, periods of snow turning to periods of rain as the day progresses, 3 degrees for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, looking at cloudy skies, -8 for a low, mainly cloudy tomorrow, and 6 degrees for a daytime high, but it'll be windy in your region. Medicine Hat, chance of flurries tonight down to -8, and then chance of morning flurries, but by the afternoon, you should be seeing a sun and cloud mix, high of 0. Lethbridge, we're looking at overnight chance of flurries. Will get up to -3 before dawn. Tomorrow we're looking at 5 degrees for a daytime high in the city of Lethbridge, and then closer to the freezing mark as you get further east in the Lethbridge region. But as you can see in the 5-day forecast, we're looking at that high between 8 and 10 degrees is what it looks like on Friday, and then 3, 4, and 3 degrees and a sun and cloud mix pretty much throughout the day. Saturday's looking a little cloudy, but we're expecting to see some sunny breaks as well. Now, yes, listen to your body. A lot of people interpret the warnings of frequent urination and extreme tiredness, thirst, as just the aging process, or maybe they're under stress. But really, you should be having that talk with your doctor. It could be diabetes, and if it is, you need to get it taken care of. And that's our Live Better tip for this week. Have a safe evening, everyone. See you tomorrow.